Hello friend, welcome my channel. Welcome my channel. I am Robin Mukherjee, Civil Engineering pass out 1986. Work experience above 30 years. Daily I discuss civil engineering execution activities, project and plan related. Today I discuss UPSC ESE 2026 Civil Mains, what top scorer do differently. Now I discuss UPSC ESE 2026 Civil Mains, what top scorers do differently. For the UPSC ESE 2026 Civil Mains, the distinction between a qualified candidate and a top scorer is not just technical knowledge, it's about exam room engineering. By the time you reach the mains, everyone knows the formulas. Top scorer focus on how they present those formulas to a wary examiner. Based on current 2026 trends and topper strategies like those of ESE 2025 AIR 2 and 5. Here is what top scorers do differently. Number one, the first best rule. Toppers don't answer questions in chronological order. They scan the paper and identify the question they can answer with 100% precision. Strategy. They place their best answer first. Examiners often form a subconscious bias based on the first two questions. If those are flawless, they may be more lenient with minor errors later in the script. Number two, in infographic answer representation. Standard candidates write long paragraphs. Top scorers use infographics to break the monotony. The technique, instead of writing a 10-line explanation for a soil stabilization process, they use a flow chart. Diagram, they include neat label sketches even from numerical problems, e.g. that means a free body diagram for every structural analysis question, which facilitates step marking, which facilitates step marking. Diagram, they include neat labeled sketches even for numerical problems, e.g. that means a free body diagram for every structural analysis question, which facilitates step marking. Number three, data rich and code centric answer. Data rich and code centric answer. Civil engineering toppers treat the IS codes as their Bible. Civil engineering toppers treat the IS codes as their Bible. Code provision. Code provision. They don't just solve a design problem. They cite the specific clause or table from IS 456 or IS 800 where applicable. Code provision. They don't just solve a design problem. They city. The specific clause or table from IS 456 or IS 800 where applicable. Real world linkage. Real world linkage. They often add a pre-conclusion mentioning a relevant government scheme like PMGSY for transportation or new construction technology like modular construction or digital twins to make their answer stand out. Real world linkage. They often add a pre-conclusion mentioning a relevant government schemes like PMGSY for transportation or a new construction technology like modular construction or digital twins to make their answer stand out. Number 4, physiological and physical conditioning. Number 4, physiological and physical conditioning. The mains is a marathon, 6 hours of high intensity writing in a single day. The mains is a marathon, 6 hours of high intensity writing in a single day. Muscle memory. Muscle memory. Toppers perform hand and wrist exercise to avoid fatigue during the 3 hours stage. Toppers perform hand and wrist exercise to avoid fatigue during the 3 hours stage. 3 hours stretch. Toppers perform hand and wrist exercise to avoid fatigue during the 3 hours stretch. Time simulation. Time simulation. They don't just solve PYQs, they solve them in 3 hour blocks using the same pen and paper quality they will use in the exam to master time bound precision. Time simulation. They don't just solve PYQs, they solve them in 3 hour blocks using the same pen and paper quality they will use in the exam to master time bound precision. Number 5, strategy by the numbers. Strategy by the numbers. Features: average candidate, top scorer, AIR above 50. Features: average candidate, top scorer, AIR up to 50. Features: answer flow. Average candidate, generic intro body, top scorer, intro, diagram, stepwise logic, conclusion. Intro, diagram, stepwise logic, conclusion. Features: numerical accuracy. Average candidate, focus on final answer. Top scorer, AIR. Above 50. Focus on units, assumption and precision. Features: revision. Average candidate starts 15 days before. 15 days before. Top scorer, consistent weekly recall session. Consistent weekly recall session. Features, IS course. Average candidate, general awareness. Top scorer, AIR 50. Cross level citation. Number 6, critical preparation pillars for 2026. Preparation pillars for 2026. Avoid book hoarding. Toppers stick to one standard reference, e.g. SK Dugal for steel, BC Punmia for soil, and 25 years of PYQS rather than multiply coaching modulars. Avoid book hoarding. Toppers stick to one standard reference, e.g. SK Dugal for steel, BC Punmia for soil, and 25 years of PYQS rather than multiply coaching modulars. Previous year question, PYQS, previous year question, 25 years. Previous year question rather than multiply coaching modulars. Silly mistake log. They maintain a journal of errors made during test series, e.g. unit conversion error, calculation tip slip UPS, and review it every morning. Silly mistake log. They maintain a journal of errors made during test series, e.g. unit conversion error, calculation slip UPS, and review it every morning. Would you like me to create a customized 12-week mains answer writing schedule based on the high weightage subject for civil engineering? Just tell me. Would you like me to create a customized 12-week mains answer writing schedule based on the high weightage subjects for civil engineering? Just tell me. Next video, I discuss civil engineering execution activity, project and plan related. Today, I discuss next video, I discuss next day morning. Now I end my video, and now I live my video. Now end my video. All are requested, if you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. All are requested, if you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. সবাইকে একটা রিকোয়েস্ট করবো, ভিডিওগুলো স্কিপ করবেন, স্ক্রল করবেন। ভিডিওগুলো স্কিপ করবেন না, স্ক্রল করবেন না। ভিডিওটি সবাই মিলে পুরোটাই দেখবেন। পুরোটা দেখলেই অনেক কিছু জানতে পারবেন, শিখতে পারবেন। বেশি বেশি করে শেয়ার করবেন যাতে বেশি সংখ্যক ভিউয়ার ভিডিও থেকে উপকৃত হবে। চ্যানেলটিকে ভালোবাসা দেবেন, ভিডিওগুলোকে লাইক করবেন, হাইপ করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। চ্যানেলটিকে ভালোবাসা দেবেন, ভিডিওগুলোকে লাইক করবেন, হাইপ করবেন এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন। নোটিফিকেশন বেলটিকে অন করে রাখবেন, আমি ভিডিও ছাড়ার সাথে যাতে আপনার কাছে নোটিফিকেশন পৌঁছে যাবে। নোটিফিকেশন বেলটিকে অন করে রাখবেন, আমি ভিডিও ছাড়ার সাথে যাতে আপনার কাছে নোটিফিকেশন পৌঁছে যাবে। ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, বাই।